Hello viewers, thanks for your support. In our channel, we are continuously discussing about concept behind fire protection engineering. Today also we are going to discuss one interesting topic. Let's see, let's move. Actually, this is a topic today. Why landing walls are placed in staircase landings. In other words, why all the staircases equipped with landing walls. We are going to find the answer for this question. Prior to find the answer, we just remind some important things related to this topic or related to the standpipe system. So this is a typical image for landing wall. So this is staircase, this is a staircase landing and the standpipe and the landing wall outlets. So we can see in many high rise buildings landing walls available in staircases. So appropriate standard NFPA 14. In NFPA 14, what is says about the location of standpipes? So there are two things. Thing number one, so as I said earlier, that all staircases should be equipped with landing walls like this. And thing number two, an additional hose connection shall be provided appropriate with appropriate distance. So like if it is unsprinkler building means 39.7 meter, sprinkler building means 61 meter. From the connection to remotest area should not exceed this distance. If it is exceed, we need to provide the additional hose connection like this. If it is not exceed, we no need to provide the additional hose connection. So this is a considerations provided by NFA 14 related to the location of landing walls. Then if it is fire happen on one building, so consequently what will happen, and fire extinguishers and fire hose reels are will activated by the local persons, and automatic sprinkler system will activate. After that, fire department will arrive the particular location. So after fire department arrive, what will happen? So after fire department arrive, they will started to identify the fire floor. And one thing, fire typical firefighting person look like this. They will bring the fire hoses and nozzles and with fire suit along with the helmets, everything. So they equip like this. So once they reach the fire location, they will identify the fire floor, and they started to move towards the fire floor. Once they reach the floor, they started to staging. So staging means what? What is staging? Staging is nothing. As I said earlier, firefighters bring the fire hoses along with the nozzles. So one end of fire hose they will connect to the landing wall. Another end of fire hose they will connect to the nozzle, and after that they enter to the floor. After that they this you can see the image. Once they equip means after that they will enter to the floor. I mean they started to fight the fire. So these are the basic important things. So come back to the question, why all the staircases equipped with landing walls? The answer is smoke and fire. So think the scenario, this is a fire floor. There is no landing walls on the staircase. So fire happen, the firefighters reach on the particular floor, and they need to enter the floor in order to fight the fire. So fire happen here means also in the fire also smoke also happen, the smoke spread in the complete floor. So in that situation what will happen? So the firefighting peoples need to identify the landing locations in order to make the staging, in order to charge the fire pipe. So otherwise they cannot they cannot able to fight the fire. So if it is fire happen completely, smoke spreading in the floor means it is difficult to identify the landing or locations. So if it is difficult to identify the landing or location means uh, delays will happen, the fire will have a possibility to spread in more locations. So that is too risky. So think about the scenario number two. The fire happen on the nearby the entrance. Then what will happen? Once the firefighters arrive to the particular floor landings, they cannot enter the floor because here it is the fire already burning. So it is too risky them also. So in order to avoid these all things, we need to provide the landing wall here. So if it is landing wall available here, means what will happen once they reach the fire floor, they started to staging here. So they will connect the one and fire hose, one and two landing wall, another and two fire hose, and they have now they are like equipped. If the fire happen on here also, they don't care about this because they have a charged water charged fire hose. They can extinguish the fire. So this is a reason all the landing walls are equipped with fire hoses. And another one important factor, usually all high-rise building staircases are built with fire resistance rating at least 2 over. So this is also one additional reason. So usually we are discussing about the design concept for today topic little bit related to the fire rescue team strategy. So I hope everyone understand this video. If you have any clarifications, please put on comment section. Definitely I will reply you. So if you need any particular videos, please, that is also please put on comment section. I will do my level best. Thank you very much.